The Action Democratic Movement has issued a strong statement calling on Zimbabweans to reject corruption, fear, and political manipulation, while demanding accountability from leadership amid debates over the controversial constitutional amendment bill. Action Democratic Movement urges citizens to resist political manipulation during constitutional amendment debate. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timna unamudu kwamchinzi ADM President A Nyamande addressed the nation during the Easter holiday, highlighting the daily struggles facing citizens. She said, "Our country continues to face deep challenges: economic hardship, rising cost of living, concerns about governance, and the future direction of our leadership. Many citizens feel unheard, frustrated, and uncertain about what lies ahead. These concerns are real, and they deserve to be acknowledged with honesty and respect." Nyamande warned against letting anger and dissatisfaction turn into destructive behavior. Allegations, anger, and pain must never divide us or lead us into hatred. Instead, they must push us to demand transparency, accountability, and justice through lawful and peaceful means, she said. The ADM later emphasized that Zimbabwe belongs to its people, not a select few. No matter who leads today or tomorrow, leadership must always serve the citizens, protect national resources, and uphold dignity for every Zimbabwean. Our vision is a nation where opportunities are equal, institutions are strong, and no one is above the law, she stated. She urged Zimbabweans to choose dialogue, unity, and hope over fear and violence, adding, "Let us reject fear, reject violence, and reject division. Let us choose dialogue over destruction, unity over hatred, and hope over despair." Doma developments are over kune ADM President. Pinda comment section menu za fungulo emote kuliva msali pechitko ichi. Usanga na subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.